स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hello guys, welcome to Manua. In today's video we'll talk all about the IPMAT, and along with it we'll also discuss about one of the top business school in India, and that is the Nirma University. So guys, stay tuned with me to get all details about it. We'll cover the important points like eligibility criteria, paper pattern, what will be the selection process, how many seats are there, and the topmost point with respect to the business school, and that is the placement. So let's move further. So to enter into Nirma University, you have to crack IPMAT. Confused guys? Because आप सोच रहे हो through IPMAT you can enter into IIM Indore. But friends, the Nirma University also accepts the IPMAT score. So here's the seat distribution through IPMAT will be increased because IIM has 120 seats, while Nirma University also has some seat reservation through IPMAT. So regarding it, we'll discuss later, and here we'll talk about the eligibility criteria, which says your age should not be exceed to 20 years. With respect to qualification, then candidate must pass the 10+2 or equivalent exams with minimum 60% marks in aggregate. So let's move further. So let's talk about the IPMAT first. So it is the integrated program in management aptitude test conducted by the IIM Indore once in a year to pursue the 5-year integrated program from IIM Indore. So the paper pattern of it includes the 100 questions, has the time duration of 120 minutes. The exam mode is completely computer based, that means online, and exam held in each month of April tentatively. So these are the section. The first two are from the quant section. First one include the MCQs from the quantitative aptitude, and they are 14 numbers. The second one short answer based questions from the quantitative aptitude, 20 questions from it, and the MCQ type of questions from verbal ability, 40 questions. So overall 100 questions are there for 400 marks, and that means for each correct answer you will get +4 marks, while for each incorrect answer you will lose 1 mark, and this is exceptional in the case of short answer based section. So let's move further, and here we'll talk all about the Nirma University. So first, the Nirma Education and Research Foundation, which is founded by Dr. Karsanbhai K. Patel in the 1994 with a view to promote and support higher education in India, and thereafter the Institute of Management from Nirma University, which is earlier known as Nirma Institute of Management, came into existence in 1996. And friends, very few universities in India has the 2 accreditations, and one of them is Nirma University. It has NAC accreditation as well as from SACS, that means the South Asian Quality Assurance System. And if we talk about the ranking, then it is 40th best business school by NAFIB in A1 category, and the 3rd best private business school in top leading business schools of super excellence category, and the institute by embodying the principle of entrepreneurship, excellence and professionalism, it imparts the top class business education and has produced the new generation leaders and managers over the years. So Institute of Management offers the various programs such as the MBA in residential, MBA in family business and entrepreneurship, Doctor of Philosophy, full-time Doctor of Philosophy externally, some of the executive programs, and various management development programs. And here we'll focus most on the 5-year integrated program, that means the BBA plus MBA, and for it has 180 seats. It is a very innovative program, combines undergraduate plus postgraduate, that means the BBA plus MBA, and it is the trimester based. Each year is divided into 3 terms. So in undergraduate phase it has 9 terms, while in postgraduate phase it has 6 terms, and therefore this program provides an exit options at the end of 3rd year. And this program also gives an opportunity to have a minor specialization in engineering basics and information technology, internet, web designing, software development, elements of civil engineering, graphics. Also offer one enrichment course per term like yoga, creativity, industry analysis, science and tech, event management, phonetics, and more than 25 courses with respect to enrichment course. So friends, ultimately यहाँ आपकी skills बढ़ जाती है and it enhances employability opportunities. So friends, the Nirma University at Ahmedabad has 180 seats, and out of which 65% are reserved for all India category candidates, 20% are reserved for Gujarat state candidates, and 15% are reserved for NRI candidates. So 65% seats through IPMAT, that means 117 seats. 20% seats for Gujarat state candidates, That means they have to score 90% in their qualification exam. Now let's talk about the selection process. So it has mainly these all parameters. The first one, that is the IPMAT score, which has the 50% weightage, the personal interview 30% weightage, and it also considers the past academic performance in qualification exams, and it has 20% weightage. So these all are the final selection criteria to enter into Nirma University. Now here we'll talk about the major important point, that is career scope and placement. So friends, if we consider past few years, so the Nirma University has the tradition of 100% placement record, where the numerous companies take part in the recruitment cells. Some of the companies like banking, finance, service sectors, FMCG, FMCD companies, e-commerce, manufacturing units, various consultancy, ITs, market research, digital marketing companies, automobile industries, construction or real estate, hospitality industries, telecom industries, and various pharmaceutical companies, where the last year the highest package was, median package rose from 8.50 to 8.75 lakh per annum, and mean or average package stand at 9 lakh per annum. So guys, if we consider about the fee structure, then ultimately it gives you the best return on investment. So friends, don't worry about the placement at all, as all these are the top-notch companies which take parts each year in the recruitment cell, where last year 85 was the past recruiter and 30 companies were freshly visited. So guys, if you want to become a part of Nirma University and you want to make your career in this business world, then you have to crack IPMAT. So join Manwa online program, where you will get books, mock test, sectional and full course, and you can also interact live with us. So call on these number or visit at manwaredu.com/BBA entrance. And if you are Mumbai based, then you can join our classroom sessions at Borivali, Dadar and Vasai. So thank you very much guys. All the best for your career. See you in the next video.